The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Sasata, no other. Look black, Google that. If you can't cook soup, you better go Google that. Watch out, man. Dancehall skilla YouTube. Check out the thing. You hear that? Hell and Back the movie. You can go stream it. Hell Move TV. You see me? Trap City Z-Tech, you know the thing come down. Booping at the head and make doctor look. Sasata, no other. Boop.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I want each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, to go and check out each and every episode of a Jamaican movie that is known as Hell and Back. Yes, Hell and Back. See the spelling right here, so just in case if me get the pronunciation wrong, which I don't think I did. You see? Now, Hell and Back, in my point of views and opinions, are well made. You see, because I'm more than one episode, you know. You see me? Someone may get the understanding about one of the episodes, them, of the whole of the episodes, them. And when we watch that episode, me say, you know what, I'm going to look at another one. And when we reach in the half of that episode, me say, no, I'm going to start from episode 1 to get a full understanding of the whole thing, go right up. And me get to understand that there are more episodes to come. See? And when I watch the episodes of Hell and Back, I recognize some of the places within the country of Jamaica that had been video recorded within the Hell and Back. You see, big up my people in the Augustown. You see, I say, big up my people in New York, United States of America. See, big up the Caribbean people too. You know? See, Hell and Back, nice. I want every eyeball and every computer screen for you reflect and show Hell and Back. You see, big up L Move. You see me, big up the general, the creator, or the main person responsible for this Hell and Back movie or episodes them. You see? Because I really get to understand say the main person behind Hell and Back is a person where appear in other Jamaican movies out there, or you could say other movies out there. You know? What me I gonna do for me gonna find Hell and Back movie more easier, see? Me I gonna leave a link in the description of this video down below. And when you click that link will take you to at least one of the episodes of Hell and Back. And from there, you can find other episodes or the YouTube channel that contains these episodes of Hell and Back. See? Hell and Back nice. Just take it as me tell you. Me Dancehall skilla brag about something means to say that's me sure about something for me if you talk about something like that. See? Every eyeball if you look on Hell and Back. Alright, so I'm going to switch personalities right about now, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to present to you a few videos that are being talked about on social media. Now, the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is about a situation between a tenant and a landlord. Where I found this video on social media, it is said that a tenant called the police within the country of Jamaica on her landlord, and it is said that the landlord gave her notice. See, now I know that this video don't give you a full understanding as to what happened between the tenant and the landlord, but based on some of the things that you are about to see and hear in this video, tell me who you think was wrong. Is it the tenant or the landlord? Because this video is being talked about on social media. So I say, so I present the video to you, tell me what you think about the video overall, if so be the case. Alright, now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
That is what give me people can do it. Adam alone can do it. You can do it.
Officer, I'm asking you a question.
Me, the police can do it, you know.
Okay, officer.
Let me tell you
I'm asking a question. Ask him why he give me notice.
What do you mean?
So me ask him for my receipt. Me pay my money and me ask him for my receipt.
Yeah, not to me.
Oh, so that is the story.
Yeah.
Hold on, that is the story.
You have a right to get notice.
Alright, since you bring up that.
You have a right to get notice.
Hold on. My rent for June, the 15th. She came to me when it due to say that the young man is in hospital. Alright, fine, cover whatever, I mean something. 2 weeks after, going into the new month, me not hear nothing. I went to her and I asked her what happened. As usual attitude, me not supposed to ask her. In another 2 weeks, you know, another 30,000 due. So I don't want it to back up. So because me asked her about it, and the attitude that. And I still didn't get it until a week after. Right. So hold on, I wait 3 weeks to get it. Fine, she give me it. I don't walk around with receipt book for me. She gave me the money this Friday.
Them said them cut off it?
She gave me the.
Yeah, we call them and they
she
say
gave me the money.
She
gave me the money this Friday. As usual, I don't wait more than a day to get it. I come down this Saturday morning to do something. So when I was going back in call, I stopped her. What about my receipt? So when I hear what she mentioned, I turn around and I walk. And then I double check and I say, imagine, I wait 3 weeks to get my rent and not 1 day pass. And you ask me about receipt. When man pay their money, then to get their receipt. That is it. I mean, I say no entitled to your receipt. When man ask him how much receipt he ever went he ever pay and don't get a receipt.
How soon after she give you the receipt, you give her the notice? After she give the money, when you say she deleted?
About 3 weeks or so.
3 weeks or so?
No. The same day.
Alright. And
the same day. Because was so
when was that notice? Is it again the 6th?
Yeah.
6th of June?
I didn't get him money the 5th.
You get a month that of where you owe?
Yes.
So notice run for 30 days? I think I 30 days. So the notice will expire the 6th of July. Right? When they give him the money for him, when they give him this month money?
I will never give him money again.
After the 6th
last week me get it.
Yeah, let me look on him. I have everything in
I wasn't expecting it.
Alright.
Is that right?
Because when the gentleman come, I said, Virgin, I would prefer my place more than your rent. Honestly?
True life. And I see him we can get it. You get it about
No,
the
man,
Friday.
I talk that the money. I talk this month.
Yeah, Friday and get it. After
Friday,
15 and get it about it. Yeah.
I would prefer my place instead of the rent.
Come on, see
They're
them.
really interested in it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, it seems as if a payment or payments might be the problem between the landlord and the person who you can hear talking in that video. It's not easy for really parent out there, you know. It's not easy. Take it as me tell you. It's not easy, you know. Overall, in my point of view, I think that that video don't really and truly give enough understanding as to what really and truly happened between the landlord and the tenant. But you can let me know what I think about that video. You see? And I think I'm going to leave it right there. So I said to you. Alright? Alright, now I want to talk to you about a video that shows members of the security forces from within the country of Jamaica sitting down, and a few of those members can be seen on devices that are said to be cell phones. One of those persons shown in the video had been accused of sleeping while on duty. Viewers and subscribers, I cannot confirm if that person was actually sleeping. It might seem so, but I cannot confirm that. You see me? And many comments have been made about the video on social media. Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that soldier and police should be on alert at all times when they are on duty. Now, I will not dispute that. But viewers and subscribers, just when I look at that video, it convinced me more that soldier and police job are not easy. When I look at that video, it convinced me more that soldier and police jobs are not easy. You see it? So, cut them a break, you know? Give them a little break. You see it? Soldier and police work are dangerous work. It can be stressing. And that's just my point of view and opinions. But anyways, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded within a country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. This video shows some things that happened when a person was being arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. See? Now, some comments that I've made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the person was resisting arrest. See? And other things have been said about this video on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting this video to you because the video is being talked about on social media. And you don't know me, Dancehall skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and post it. I'll let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You don't know, me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what go on, Yeah, especially when something is being talked about on social media. Yeah, so, I have some left. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Tenant.